Hello, I'm Jorge Gasos from the European Commission. I'm working in the Next Generation Internet Unit, where we are developing technologies towards a more human-centric internet. One of the areas where we are working is in the area of digital identities. This is important in everyday life because now all of us, we are doing more and more things in the internet. So that means that from booking a hotel to banking to access to public services, and then digital identities is becoming critical in order to make sure that we are the right person to avoid problems of security, counter wrong access, etc. And in this sense, what is very important, obviously, is security, to make sure that we authenticate the person who is accessing, and this has been up to now the critical concern. But in parallel to this, there are also some very important aspects. Privacy, for example, so that people can provide only the minimum information that is needed for this. One example will be if you want to buy a bottle of wine, you only need to prove that you are over 18, but you don't need to say if you are married or if you have children, or even you don't need to provide the exact age that you have, because this is not important. So in this context, privacy is very important. Also integration, so that the same system can be used for multiple things, banking, public services, etc., and that can be used across Europe, because this is also critical that we have systems that they can be used in different countries when we move and do this. So in this new problematic about identities, self-sovereign identities is one of the promising solutions where people are working in order to find the problem to security, but also at the same time addressing issues about privacy, usability, integration of different services, also the access not only identity but also to digital credentials. So it's a promising technologies where we are investing. We launched a project, eSSIF-Lab, where there have been a lot of innovators, small companies working in this area and trying to improve the solutions in order that in the near future we may have better solutions for digital identity. In terms of the future, eSSIF-Lab is going to finish now. We are planning to continue activities in this area, maybe not with the same intensity that when eSSIF-Lab was running, but we want to keep the community running, the people working together, and we will try to launch new opportunities for funding in this area. Thank you very much.